can more from that. Rono Motors. Rono, good morning. To my former Musio, Mr. Atafrim Ado. Good morning to all of you. I'm from my member studio. Oh, I know, say, I see the emergency. Men are now when you're in the baby because say, I'm a messy, no, or your wire. I'm saying, Grandma, then your friend, I'm a messy. Sir, my best start to show you. Now, my mammy did it, and papa did it, Yaboha. Ye Pama messy. I'm a messy, Yayani, who I'm a messy cono. I'm a messy, the women and emergency, the fans of friend, I'm a messy. That time, they drew me so hot. Near friend to silicate, or no friend so faint. Yes, now, and then we were National Fire Service Officer Bako, Deputy Fire Officer, na position here, then. Oh, Assistant Divisional Officer. Patro Jenny, then, George, and
grade 1.
Grade 1, okay. Done so. And many about from the National Ambulance. Yeah, National Ambulance. So the body in the mammy.
Matilda Nati, Head of National Dispatch.
That's it. Yes, or Henny.
Kelly the boy, Nadmo, in charge of the Emergency Operations Center.
Okay. It's my main chassis free Chief Dan. So 112 a day, Pacho.
112 a emergency number. Yedia basa ebebo amanfo abra omowo ahohiehiem emergencies bi te say eja atofie arm robbers aba ho anase mpofiri mu obi ayare anase insuo during flooding so nadmo so attend 112 no your number e wo trimu na se wo sa ahayi mu a wo frɛ ya agencies no ebe peke na ye di hu dwuma ma say ye police a ye de bema no fire ye de bema no ambulance na nadmo a ebe ye intem so a ye betime dru honom as a situation no
and he said that you know to say old number no na ya asesa no ana
inti old number fire 192 police 191 no is still in use.
Okay.
But it will take time. I bet take him kakra and sana ya fade out crack.
Namu inama you see 112
no as a unique emergency number.
Okay. I mean that more na.
Okay.
What did be so one way you know why was that this one created?
Very good. The other one is Osha as agency bia on emergency number. Like
yeah, sure.
Agency be on emergency number, fire different, ambulance different, police they different. Number crowd any short code number be but acquire problem on my public. No, you want to read open say emergency. This is wakai fire 40 and now wakai police 40. But one want to know unify all the emergency numbers are. Say police help now here, ambulance help, fire help, and NADMO helper. Ubo 112 and not to say help via here.
Oh, that's just necessary.
Very necessary.
The change is necessary.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Patromedica cry account say 112 near na me bia. Wako school da o, unko school da o. Idea betimi aka utim. In case of emergency, no nyafe na kwakwo hwehwe na me bia frɛ wo de frɛ 112 no wonya frɛ mo bia ehia bia no wonsa beka
eti ma mi busa wa asubium se me frɛ 112 no what happens e bia na me hia na me we ya afi na kɔ de ko busa bia wo te aduane a wodi ye no a den na say den me frɛ 112 no what happens to it
me pa cho wo frɛ 112 na ye won nsɛmfo akakra ye bebisa wo
okay
baby a wo free
okay
any nenti a wo frɛ any wo contact number say na ebe ya utumi kire nenti a wo frɛ na ye ho agency a wo hia omomu a ni wo contact number no be ma ye tumi afrɛ wo back e bia wo frɛ wo ma ye direction ni bibia no in course of the way ne betimi ayira na bibi kakra so with the contact number quickly no etumi fro ne aba ho no
anti se me fra me din baby me free feed me contact number that's me fan se me friend na nipa na obefa no se me hia na duma quickly no wa transfer me contact
me patron
se me fire service na the call emergency health service and so na national ambulance
me patron.
Wow, that's beautiful. Now then how is that connected to the agencies?
Okay, the omni say your central point course neighbor, but in the country it's been zoned to 3.
Okay,
and the southern part Eddie or Accra, the main emergency call center.
Okay,
and 112 call via AHT one central point.
Okay,
to see the calls now the entire offer it is a emergency service related to ambulance honor you forward the call name ambulance immediately.
Okay,
when you now take a very short period
okay intimidi bi beka ho no ti se wo bibi ti se northern sector mu ho no ma tamale ekita for those places wo southern kakra Kumasi any Accra kita for into eastern regional fra ebeba Accra near dispatch to the appropriate agency into your zone into 3 categories.
And emfa ho say bin si ukrob say we eastern region the same cry no it doesn't matter. Okay, sweetheart we are
Me pacho and emergency call center and we have the various agencies reps to ewo honum being from fire, ambulance, police, and NADMO.
Okay.
And sometimes no, onya fra, any of them can answer the question and then we'll attend to you.
Okay. Now I hear better because I feel that my friend could be so and so what transfer me.
And check me the can say and check within some split moment, but the here most important is you who the tia offer, especially the location. Location in there my challenge kakra because obi so me kukumlemle he or say to me my landmark bia ye the battery see but system no you are building it say with time no offer 112 with some of the smartphones now it should be able to tell us the location you are calling from, which will help in a response time as well.
Inti so the Ghana Post GPS FR 112 now it comes with your location. Inti no ye very easy when locating. In prepi na ya free for fire ya kuchina ye hu baby a fire no. Esa na ye resources kakra na ye wono na ye say no. Inti so FR 112 with the Ghana Post GPS edo correct location ne breye ma in terms of me to me hu baby a fire no.
Okay then. But yeah, sure, Casabana Yamuka because ebi ntitri ebi ntinkran obi so dagban in kwan oka obi so fra kwan oka Casabana muka ho case obi fra
me pacho o fra beginning in the brofo na eka ba kasa bi oni ye bekan bia no ya work call centers ni nyina no ye won crofo muti all the languages. So as soon as I offer bia what I say obi a o kan awusa kasa pe na dia man ni oti awusa kasa na otumi ni waka se na be ntema e betimi ama wonia wo pe no ntem into all the languages are spoken there
ntenya de sem yere be hu asa fe na me kosua brofo abe frɛ 112
me pa cho de bi
yes me kosua nkran be frɛ 112 kasa bia me kan Ghana ha bia no me fra me nkan no
pa cho kasa bia wo fra kan no e wo kan emwa bia ehu hia nso ye de be ma wo
minim say bia wo be build so this particular now more enough people on mefa calls in there.
Oh, sure. We won't crophobic even at the Accra Center, over 20 decks are receiving calls.
Okay.
And I even say a bro, a horse the other agencies no have similar setups. Calls no be to me, I call more direct.
Okay.
So at every point in time, no, Ufrebia will be there answer.
Indeed, you run it 24/7. You run a shift at every point in time. No. You will need power multi consoles. You pick it. You run a shift. At every point in time, you will need power or multi consoles. You are more pick a course.
Oh, okay.
And so they are trained staff. Say a chance here no. Ambulance ni wo honum, fire ni wo, police NADMO ni wo honum. And we are there 24/7, as we said no. In any time be obe free bia no, obenya mo free. the emergency call center hon.
Okay. What can Sunday nanka bebusa say won be fa course no mu security for omo ye hwan for omo hunu ye
okay omo fa course no ebi security for fire ne police ebi so ye health professional ambulance for ya training omo on tete ye nipa ho ayarisa entity ye enti say fire case police ambulance your microphone betumi omabusa questions here ebeboa ya me etumi dispatch the proper agency ehoma aibia.
Okay, yeah, me person mechanic say public no mo free ya na mo pay intem but the woman is more open term no yeah response na beba no so no it must come appropriately. Eti wasa onya botre kakra na ye bisa o semfo ba ku mienu bi eno an ebeboa ya ma ya respond better.
Okay.
It is a friend idea. Open tempty, you are not ready. When you're ready, say over answer some of these questions.
M1. All right then. But no person can be na. Yeah. But apart from tree neighbor for Casaben ate.
Meka
ever. And to summarize in my number no 112 no. So over free. How over free. Yebejo. So they will solve question back in under 1 minute.
In a way.
Never.
Okay. Yo mi ahonya selamba don dinami ndi amila fia mi ana Ghana duko katana nyabe cho ajia tukada de sia de ava momena mi ahia pepedon cho eda Ghana ambulance police fire service alonad mogboa number de ka kweli mi ayozon yanye 112 number ta tukada de sia de na va momena mi hia na pepedon wa mi ayo 112 let me your number o wa ho caller no ho caller wa a connect to appropriate allo do pay na ana pepedon na ambulance ya wa dispatch ambulance as the police aya wa na police o wa avam yagbo allo the fire ejo allo fire wa ado fire service to them yagbo wa anami pepedon ta amasiame na keep na ho number ya 112 anytime allo esia ye hia na pepedon na yo 112
but language be na so okay under 1 minute
to ebole mi nganye fe won panye fai in case of emergency nye try the number 112 ke obe problem ko ka try 112 ke try 112 and not you ha wo ye questions ko meni wo ba bi ko ni wona ke ambulance utawo fire utawo
my actual police emergency near 5,859 calls. Fire emergency 2,040 calls. Ambulance emergency 2,036 calls. Not more emergency, 38 calls, and others here 5,828 calls. But here, number a year prank calls no 1,887,125 calls prank calls.
Oh,
yes.
It's a more fair by heart. I'm who I did more friend.
The woman said because and the majority of people are more friend, you know. We hear one now frere. Now I say line now. I busy. Ufrea will be unfa. I yes phones nearing ya will be unfoul. But prank calls for ya, prank callers for yana. I engage all the call
Because mobile fret 3 times will be on fire.
that is it. Meanwhile, if you go there right now, people are seated talking to callers. Amount for AGG calls.
No,
It's prank callers now engage lines.
My challenge here is this is the 5th time.
Me pacho anya se obi emfa. Right now no, oba say call centers ni nyina ye engage with calls. Inte ye engage on your phone, it will be ringing on your phone say ringy. But do ye honum ye. So as soon as line be less busy, call be so quickly your call goes in. And a ringy answer sometimes ye calls no. Into ye ye fre ni hu ni entia. Oh, Frey, no.
But yet, need telecommunication companies saying Casano more expanded fold, no, so that at least we can have about 200 at a time. Because if it is 20, 30, 40, young fans say, this is the 5th timing. So we been see here the year fra. Within the next 10 minutes, say Jana she bet me the entire place.
Okay, the okay assembly crepa because it's a government initiative. From the start, we have about 20 plus call takers. But moving forward, no, there should be expansion.
Yeah, sure.
And the other agencies, no, so said some of these calls, once the main center is engaged, no, you bet me a pushy calls now about
the other agencies. Facility bet me who prank calls, only I bet you.
Prank calls in India. Yeah, console no in such a way so be free bia ne number e wo ho.
Very good. Ne kwa hwani enche no.
Ne number wo ho no ma yebetimi atu ana mo. Adesira e be se ne se wo frɛ na se enye emergency a. Yes, emfrɛ. Esa time a edru a obi ehia emergency no. Na wo frɛ na line na ye dey aye engage. The best republic ne se omo hwɛ ne samaye.
Mayenda masi bibiani a mo mayenti ye bebo amu. After what me here, that's a panty number 112. Ejato baby, be emergency will be yaru put to prove car when she be a baby. You quickly call 112. Nafi yajo so. Empty and say, Yambo Cassia, say, what's a number be from 024 054 055. Nafi yadi 059. Abatuma, a Ghana number. The MTN 40 now, but more than say. Obefa ye de abeka ho dada nti bomodi ana fe machine so sounds na wake purified drinking water and so ewo ho nti awake yo we de na nsuo na ye no na no a ni kasema wo se Casaproco Company Limited and aye nsuo ye de kind of 1 million Ghana cedi second National Cardiothoracic Center ewo Kolebu Teaching Hospital dada we dan so be for 0262351251 Vodafone city me na o browse ya ni kwan set te kosa o browse na te ko how and it's all dial star 700 hasha and one no 10 Ghana cedis ubenya 1.5 gig for 15 days 20 Ghana ubenya 4 gig for 1 month 50 Ghana, Ubinya 10 gig, and also for 1 month. The browsers how will be dry. Vodafone, the future is exciting. Ready, Sanso, and Charlie, Total, Troxy Club, no, a real, a Koso, Trotro drivers, no, taxi drivers, no, any other commercial drivers, no one can someone say, a Koso Yipa. Kasama, a woman said, Obin Kase BBC a group personal accident insurance cover near 6,000 Ghana cedis. Yet be more the trio hospital bills and nema hodo be everybody how ho and what you know a driver for mutimi adini panibi a can kono a chedia strunko bebre a driver for no every busumi biano 300 drivers in your fuel free. Total Troxy Club still a boss so keke. Next cafe de medica can want so much order that. You got to start strong and finish strong. That's just a one who's a 1 now connect 3 in 1 no. It all starts with Nescafe and Opebiano and Washan and Sosa at the Amaya. Comlado more books no the dream and the elements in ano Ebida Ewo Benya Biato Joy from your front desk here EPP bookshop Ewo Legoni Trade Fair Kingdom Books Ewo Suni Legon Secretary Shop Ewo ANC Mall Digibooks Ewo Sakumo no and Fei Oko Komladumo Foundation.org and Office of Komladumo Memorial Foundation Ewo Hachone Parliament Library Ewo Nkrai Haya Obinya Bufrezo 2083260255 Yabaji was so and so Ewo said on him that I know station and society frequency and so and society still Adom 106.3 I should say Anna Yakono Dr. Edward as do CEO Master do is Ewaha Sadu Ewaha Sanso and I'm Badago. I got it right. Okay, Badago, Executive Secretary Ma Environmental Service Providers Association. You trying to see Kano ESPA and so Ewaha. You be born come kakra about waste management issues. Say, I say now do any fa Makolani Accra Central wa ball and a yajin samo. I say I say baby one quarter baller gunokrano and also so I asem unya baby and 2 baller fangu. Yanso mefa ball we fini yintia. Yanso yintia. Enti so baller na ya manage is you gate na no ache say untia ya tia. Yanso yintia ti amanu so na aban so ntia onka. Eno so aban ntia aban de nam nanum saa na metua obo ntia we aban ntia ye. To almost soon to me, young one didn't find yet a Juman to be. Mamma Quaba, but you did say Biaboco. Yeah, no, I'm a be fine.
Biaboco.
Good. No room what to say.
So now, when you know, says, near my and shedding your papa be a mysa. Oh, and say, Espafona. But I never said now, chimney in Anna, and you dank Tahoni anymore. Na wache na baako ene ye kan ye de yensem tuja ema amanzenye na ati ne ekọ say ye nya baby ntu bola ningu na baby etu bola ningu kra ne omaja atom so mo ye bola ejuma ne kra na ye ndua mo ka eka da ho ti ejuma ne kra se na nko e so motimi ye nanka members no bia timi di nra ne kon enko sa obekọ na ya saline tin amangura ne bebre kakrum se nanka wose ye ejuma ye ntimi nye ejuma nti se nanka na ba ya omaye assurance especially in the highest political commitments you've ever received from His Excellency nanka nim say kaniema be ye this time around because any Ministry of Sanitation atenasi akeka nsem you brace ya ka ase de bia ya kasanse moya ye hia pa ne yenya nti anope yes sisia corona we buy ye can yes hygiene how can you achieve hygiene when you've not taken care of sanitation and if we do not handle the core issues on the ground at the end of the day we'll be going round in circles and take a cry be pan of penny say abandon to any sanitation for no na yen challenges no more ya one Oni entinasi because this is the time to say critical. And take a crown of paper say di to Janano.
But I say, I mean, quite I said, problems, Nanka say, then, Peso Fanama, we are not family call Ama Espa.
Captain Eda at your phone, I see. And I'm now Paris in aid in Kobo.
Aye,
Corbin Brown.
No, we that's all your brother.
Okay, yeah, issue no one. And they be symmetry. I'm infantry na enipa. Yeah, can the distance between nipa mienu and once more coronavirus no ho and me frequency ban me drew toe no na girl now ho no she gloves by me spirit catch me say me paper me say was with sanitizer and I did so me hear say toe no nipa do say na etwam na nipa do say na get contact with ne handshoe no okay and mesre ankra nipa I say so because ucha motona because a day no obeji more than 1,000 cars and contact with sani per 1,000 you know a lot me spirit ma anya me de and the other ways so because before so be do on try and I give you so I try so be use sanitizer because I know you're the fastest one a bit me a spread because a day no enipa oji omuto okwan so no edos pa just a tip
say you drew number 9
ebetom
you nya 2 abeso so ma you 7 you drew 9 oh Ghana
captain me question ba ko ne say 9 no omufie akofa bola ye de akoba bia eto bola ni gu asat now me ka say ba bia eto bola gu no enye save by measures bia emma ho
baby a 2 ball and good.
Yeah. You need be 1. And I save 2. Because ministry no and can be beyond for sanitation how to protect even janitors almost a ball no. See a baby e di kwakogu no. You need be a problem. On one year juma e wo ho no yentua omuka and into almost on so enya juma no. And also yakofa yare na ede
encho mo na mutua na se ministry ni netua ka
ministry ni na esi tua ba bi e to ball agu no aban e ball ajuma by o kosoroba form ball ya aban dia ball no e aban property me just waste collector Mrs. Ball no Mrs. we are ese aban provide ba bi a mfa engo e na aban pese oye ho akwadjoro free genesis enye nenko a de bia ye ne omunya issue ababola it seem like say omon che sanitation ase by the try say on be sanitation omon ti ase
no mpeso
moye ade a won ti ase a opeso oye no so no oye ne biara because the minister nti bibisa say why ade quarantine say etua bolaka I say minister Nancy ubisa say edi quarantine say yetua dumping fee mamo na makwajiji musika whereby ye no na ye sacrifice my country because esa abantua sanitation na ye hwe ye aban ye akwadwura ompese obetua no na ye reform ye ho ye say okay aban niska enti yenye bibi say polluter pay principle me na me partner say no me adwuma ni nyina 90% na wo mpere me na me gira mu den say polluter pay no ebe boaye because that time no obo say yakọ strike say 12 years as 16 years ni wonte say asem ni bida because ye nkodan aban bio de ehwehwe free adan aban ho no say ankura etua no nkura de san high ne say captain o ma san the VAT any
imports
we saying taxes bi asan ba say yen san fan koto bola no so bola no
say
yeah say etua VAT o say sanitation for say etua VAT no say etua income tax so
let's say VAT no semetiasia wa add value no na wo ko dampe no value ben na
nipa na wo kwaji sika won ho no now they are expecting us to say yemfa nto so many pa no whereby Your system
ah Favat Santos mame
yeah
value be na abaso
yeah
somebody generate power be there then I can see say there's a value
see nipa na omo ye board adwuma no omo nte ball an ase your ministry no on sanitation no ase anase omo advise aban no na omo ente ase so a me hu because eno na ama fi no do kroyen because it's just simple I say muti ye ni na sanitation is like a good and say we recycle before so be gold no show captain illegal dumping cost moto for no ofa ba bia no akoto ball anagu aban crofo ho omo hwewu eho dane ball aso wi a na ya ba be ka se aban san fasika ensan kokata so ebi happy malam junction tina me kasa asem wi omo to ball agu ho me ko bien na me ni okova dam point me ni amanfo be breed akire stubborn boy bi wontie obi a ena oji ball na agu ho last 3 years ena yeti ministry ne foforo no ena ministry ne ye say illegal dumping nyina ye cover so ko bisa ban sika o boy na obi su na atena ho no agi sika no e de agu ne botom so obi na ye hwe han ama aban abosa aka no entizesi a ye kasa yare wezi aba ya pray ho aban so $100 million e de ato ho say ye mfansa yare no e good ba yare me friend young boy corona oh yeah young boy typhoid malaria fever ko hospital ha ko he
omo ye grandfather
omo de omo ye nananom we de se ne nanan kanso afi na oba na ye hwe nanim malaria ni typhoid any fever no ekum nipa e wo ye hospitals esen guy ya oba by guy we say speed ni ntino yesuro no ene ye kopesika by ye hwa ye wo yare poti wo ho a ene wo ankasa kura me hwe wanim ahome kanim obeba kwa test no obehu se ntontom akawo ntontom no kawa hwe aban hye bibi nzo opa analyzing sa we say figures say enipa a day omu chiro off say omu yare malaria ntontom akawo nto omu nko adwuma they are more than 20%. Enu nyina ebo aban ka sisi yare we bae no aban afre pharmaceutical chemicals no eno matrase on free sanitation for because ye hu hia ye important ba me pese aban ti asese na ye jai bola ni go a aban wo problem ena aban so mo onye no hu se wontua bola because ye jeje ne so because me for the past 14 years aban ma me ka preda yeah because ye adwuma no ankura na etua omu ntimi ntua ye population no almost about 40% omu ntimi ntua bola and this aban amfa sa kana nto no ho so say obetua bola no we can achieve it jise aban ye na adwene say ode no ho be hye bola no ban say aban adwane free bola no ho which ade no so ye odia and who dwane free ho no me ye den na masesa sisi a yen contractors enipa 6 oma fold up obia so onya adwuma biem waboka for the past 2 months you know me lose almost 162,000 every month
hey
adentia because me to extra fuel me the ball no ko winiba me kwa masan ko tua dumping fee
dabi ball no o fa fin kra how de ko gu winiba
enu tinam say aban tirim ye ne de no ministry no omutirim ya omude ministry ni nim ba bia ye to bola gu onim nka some virus no nka ma protect by they don't omunim ba bia ye de bola no ko apart from insomnia and which insomnia don't have money how would be operate system no apart from hono ministry ni ba bia to bola gu obi ani ba bia to bola gu ye travel here to Winneba and ye kwato ball agu na woni obi ye adwuma na wusisi ni se ya enti a maboka to aso 2 months no make say koso se ya na be koso dia me so me foda me dem sabe go me nya adwuma ni biom because me ntimi nya adwuma na me mboka extra fuel from Accra to Winneba usan akwakotua e wo brekwa aban na ese otua so enipa ye akofa ye truck a free outside abano. Wo what your boy my and the encoje. The OC engine and Casano, young crop was a muntimintia. Usi and 60 Ghana. 60 Ghana no, any pantimintia won't ya 20. Yan drew ho, one side the VAT. Say, young me to your VAT. Me to your VAT last year on the Bremen, almost about 800,000 VAT. Say, from the past near Manti and Indian, Yaka Cretin in answer, Mincotia. And the Opus good Jumana and our day. Whereby I buy so per foreign company a manabe sanitation, which cannot be possible. Imagine say, Yena intiminia Jumano, but woman is woman intiminia Jumano. Ministry in intiminia Jumano, and yen local contractors. Because over 350 million euros, they are a foreign company. Na me a memetihano, one city. Oh, mammy be. Na difference in here, then.
Or 350 million euros.
Euros for only Accra.
I'm a foreign company.
No, I'm 445 million euros. Kumasi. What your memo de cabinet? Ma me a memeti haseno. Ama maybe. Capre won't land for the crowd won't ya and Fabola and Kodo or Suntia. And also, last year, you call Morocco. Almost young correct the Morocco for your year, Juma. Yeah, you're partner about we see ho. La Vita Health was see the plant. And know you better sing the Kohun Morocco Crano. And I'm calling them, sir. And then I just say, ain't me, Juma. My January for 26 years, I bought a Juma who meaning Bibia about sanitation. So a DNA difference in here, then difference in Iska because Morocco, you call Morocco, no, only a proper one. They are paying them 500 euros a month, and they are running 4 shifts. Almost 4 shifts too. The 4 shift in which is 2,000 euros
a month.
A month. I all run 4 shifts, you know. Now, Obabe Way, dear, your mom 150 cities, and also I entry 8 months in here, entry Omoka. So you are telling me, say,
what prepare
150 near the mom
150?
Yeah,
1.5.
1.5.
But so me,
my proper room, yeah, 1.5, and entry 8 months in the entry Omoka. So, who say Accra Bay Cleaner City? In which way? They be I may catch them, ministry say. President Asudaye, Wada Wasudaye. Oh, here wise men, no much interpret Diano and the Achilano. But when you're and then a problem, no. Wasudaye, I can't wise men, I can't one yansa phone a bay Jumanoa. Actually, Diana say, Yen say, Until Bola and that's who go every president. Only there was soon a die. Oh, here one a betcher and Diana say. One on a betcher Diana. Yeah. By ministry to here, Yen Papa Quia, Fiaquafona, a prison.
Joseph Musa,
Naya betcher Diana said, Diamano. Honest one him say a prison in Tino. Oh, here,
I know so for
or Germany, or Europe, or other countries now, Obenya Yansan for. I'm on my barbecue.
Don't know about 350 million euros.
By which is contractor bien foreign company bien hobbit my sanitation. I bet without money, without the Entianeka, uncle Latebi or Quasha now uncle Zongo no uncle Jiji 1 CD. Now uncle Nipanaka just Niska. Foreign company pay. Foreign company bien hobby. It is a ministry in person na junior. Onye na junior no one yen local contractors no. Entrance na yenka na yenye adwuma no mane. Morocco acquire idea report to buy. Report nda ho dey aware. Government man contractor amount 7 years contract with a new tracks. 7 years in this one tracks no they will not allow you to use the tracks again. No. And if bola kon trucks are na mabontin. What you saying? And I'm a car miensa, and I'm to Germany, and I'm the buy. Duty almost about 290,000. Duty. So, me mako fa kaba, me be ya juma ma ba chere misika SMJ, ma samba bi tua duty. Na adwuma na mo pese ye no, e trimude na mo ye, ye nyem fa nche mo, ananse sen. So your problem because me say omo dada president. Omo atwa no hu hia no. On the president di koba bi pe ye koprapra ho. Nti oduru oni aprapra na dwene ne say akra ekrina. Ompia anajo. Na won ko rounds. Na won hwe na won soma. Na won ko hwe niema ekoso. Nti so bi ba na obeka say akra ekrin. Akra any problem with sanitation one. Make a change say ne oboa. Opa on challenge me. And I say on true challenge say it here Akra. We say. And na e de ye no to no. Omutua and omuntua.
Ama. Fabi so so na yanko.
Ti say na me penyi kai no. Eba ye edwuma na e was say aban eye den also yemu. Baby nam person me church baby to say okan no assemblies no and na kire eto aye ngege enti assembly no atwa eto ama meanwhile no omo twa eto na ama no ukoto compactor omo anhwe cost no and omajo import duties is omo come up with fees from the assembly now omo share social microphone omo well-being till area mu how metimi atu abese 20 meanwhile obesa to petrol ubeji atum afil shas ya to petrol how many times trotro for matu omusika no mu nso ya yesisa bollan ye ni hu kwan se ye betu ye bo no mu je se afina bewie ye assemblies fix fees na sa fees no mu fix ya yemfa vat nka ho nso se si ameka say omusi e was ye gigi vat nyembe to ya vat na import duties no so ya ni aban aka ya cut to the extent ya ni GR for aka so mutime ma other jurisdictions exemptions are other na ya ball ejuma no muntime nya the same thing for us because ejuma na ye one social good and then public good ye nyamfa so bia woso inti say me members ni bi say Aricop ni Accra Compost ni other sewer systems na there facilities ni kra a private person and no ade ne sika asi sa facilities ni anka the good practice worldwide ne say anka ban mo kra ne besi sa treatment facilities ni na wa outsource na private sector na ayede na private sector na ayede amanage na ya say chiano say na obetimi manage a omboka but say is in Ghana and it's even the opposite way why do you see akosi we see who provide the public good no you nya support via no incentives just no yamboa upon anyone signing off-taker agreement ni akwakasi o yebeboa upon the management fee which should have been the ideal situation meanwhile no mo perceive yen solve sanitation problem ye need treatment facilities plastic say ya private sector and ya find the solution ya just have plastic excise tax sikaya ya jiji sikaya ye no sikaya hu me bia scanner kwa akodi anka sa plastic levy scan pot me ba ye betimi de no po as apply bins because see ayare ya be one of the best way to resolve say ayare we ni say obia betimi anya bin wani fie na ni ngura no yakata so na infection no and spreading say to say landfill site as say by now a bank and friend no mun beside say in terms of fumigation yeah workers protection because almost confuse na say yakwa kofefa ngura no into say moyi mani na we are talking about hygiene na moyi sanitation efima I don't know how we can even control the control of the coronavirus without looking at the sanitation. Into your best rabbi, sanitation goes hand in hand with the hygiene. And another BIA can say, ye hear sanitation authority. As amnesia and Kasano of rare local governments. Meanwhile, they say no Ministry of Sanitation and Ankaya in charge of them. Ye Jumanu. It's other than one free Ministry of Sanitation. Yes, I promoting. Yes, I promoting say you be here sanitation authority. It's anka your authority be no what to me na bibinia or not descended down. No so monitor na solving your problems are mine. Into the authority should come with a sanitation fund. Then that way it would have we can now have a holistic approach to solving the sanitation problems in the country.
Okay, 1 minute.
It's your roadmap no at the whole as private sectors. Yeah, they are two when so ejumani ebeye. But answer ne betimi achieve. There are good practices worldwide. We don't need to reinvent the wheel. Yeah, adopt good practices no.
Okay.
Yeah.
I see a pay one other day because baller issue no a huge say
a lot.
It's getting out of hand. Say, oh my baby about to ball a good here.
And only me fana asema America.
Okay, can I go?
Say, I buy within week here day anymore. So I buy no one baby at the ball a big go. And I say one tia contractor now all year ball and suka contractor no a kwan wo ha obetimi amaya ya adwuma by omuni fuel omuni anything a support also untia workers de ka contractor no ontua kama yen na yentimi nya baabi emfa ball no enko sre na yesra ban because within the week no say wanye sa ma dia ene boy no ene ne be ebetra nji yenhye no so
amenda ase
na ommoden se eho no obehwe se ye di safety measures ebeko dumping site ho
medase amane Dr. Edward Asedo, thanks so much for your time. Erawase busanti manen kwa utrim se se yare na ye nipa 9 ewo Ghana ni na no ye imported ye de omo free be na ba ni na vertical infection enye horizontal tin ye na ye boy ho ban say ye make sure two ni na no so no di free baby na ye de be wura on my name enne ene ye china KLM etu achina nwumira ontu biom o Ghana was suspended so be fly to Ghana na so be fly from Ghana to any part of the world and yes ministry no mo yena be plane basi do yembane yenya ne preko yenjangu ho na age emergency bi pa ho ano ohye na bia ebeba na aba because we be checking out bia oba ye bia ye na mfa airport are 9 9 yande yinsuru no ye bebo ye ho ban and ye say ye ba modi aso ye checking and ye ma hodo sse ye ni na so ye timi aye no ndo abo mapon